G'day folks, and welcome back to Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Today we've got another little Welly. It's a little Renault Clio RS. Little four-door coupe. Not as fast as the Megans apparently, but still a cool looking little car. We're going to put a set of Longchamp XR4 wheels on them with NITTO Tyres. NT555, I think they are. Hang on a sec. NT555 or 555, however you want to say it. NITTO tyres, and the rims are Longchamp XR. They look pretty cool, the rims. They're one of our new ones, and they're going out the door as quick as I thought. I'd grab a set and put a set on there, as we've got more coming. I thought I'd put a set on this little beast. They're actually not chrome, but the silver that they've used, let's see if we can get a good look in here. There we go. Now the silver that they've used, it's got a little deep dish rim, which is nice. And you can see the tyre branding. Treaded. And you can see through it. So when you fit these, very careful when you're screwing the axle and all that, or pushing it in, make sure it's straight or whatever else, otherwise it's quite easily to snap the centres out. Right, so they look pretty cool looking rim. I reckon they'll set this down to a T. Let's get it from looking from stock to super cool. A little bit, yep. Same as before. Just go in. I just chop the axles off. Quick as that. Put that up there, get it stand up. Same as on there. Same again the other side. Actually on there. Tell you what, I cover both ends like I was saying to you before. Make sure you do that. Don't ever do it over the flies out if you've never done it before and you do it for the first time. Even doing that there, holding your fingers on either end, you definitely feel it when you cut the axle. That's for sure. Gives you a little bit of a tinkle. Right, we've got the 1.2 drill bit inside, in there, gently in we go. See the plastic come out on the other end. Take on the camera. Yep. This will make this sort of thing of what do you do with these Welly models. Well, they've actually got a lot of good detail, and the body castings are quite, and the paint is quite nice as well. This is a see if I can get it to show. See if I can get it close up. See if you can. It's actually like a metallic yellow. The paint is actually quite nice. There you go. Have a look. See that? That's factory. There we go. Look at the sparkling. Nice paint, isn't it? Right. For a cheap model, mate, unbelievable. And all the windscreens have got all the paint outs in them properly, which is another good thing. You can do a bit more to it if you're wanting to, but just for a little quick change around and to liven it up and that. Beautiful. We can do this. So we'll just put that on there for a second. That'll be right. There goes the other axle. We'll get him down there. Get him up there. Right. Down here. Right. Move that drill out. Back in my little holder because it's so tiny. I'll put my axle into the drill. You don't have to be super tight, just to make sure it's in there. And very gentle with these rims. Do not go super fast. Let me just quickly actually check the golden rule. let's actually work out how far this axle actually needs to go into the wheel. Alright, so we've got to screw it in, leave one burr available on that side there, so you get it on the burr on the other side. More than likely the front is exactly the same. Most wellies are, the front the same as the back. They basically build like factory stock stuff. So yeah, only just into the rim. Oh, I'll put him back up. Oh, look out. Wheels are running off. I'm scared of it already. I'll just grab that onto there. Okay, gotta put one wheel on, so I better get one. Gently put it up onto here. There we go, and just like I was saying, just gently. Otherwise you will snap that centre out. Then you don't want to be doing that. Right, I'll just make sure I got it right. Very good. Right, that's that one done. So we'll get the other one screwed in as well. Oh, here we go. Here we go for the search axle. Search axle. I'll have to go and dig one out. Oh, there it is. Miracle. Unbelievable. Found it. Found it, found it, found it. Found it, we did. Alright. Same as there. Another wheel. In. And away we go. So we go. Just gently. Nice and slow. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, I'm looking forward to these rims going on this little Renault. Now I always have the golden rule. You choose yourself, I always come from the right hand side, so that way I know which wheel was pressed on. This is looking super hot already. I haven't even got a wheel on there yet. I will have, but I haven't got it set. Gently does it. There we go. Beautiful. Probably just a little tiny touch more. Check, nothing there, and they're not loose. Alright, same again. Right hand side. Quite a cool little fast easy job doing it this way. Just had to check to make sure I was doing it on the right hand side then. It's getting bad, isn't it? Okay, we just nice and even pressure. Don't try and do a wheel change like you're in the pits or something. Just gently push him on. Just go over here so I can get a bit more balance when I do it. Just bearing with us for a second. There we go. Just making sure that they're all going to be all spinning nicely. Sorry, I was out of camera again. Oh yeah, tool. I'll get used to it. I'll get used to it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I'll get my finger off it. And they're quite nice looking rims, aren't they? So yeah, just that little job there. Nothing else. Didn't do anything else. Just done a nice little rim swap. We'll get those off. They were what was on there. Yeah, just the old standard run off the mill for them. So I'll just show you one thing though. While I've got you, before we go and end up on this finished off in here, I'll get a axle. Just show you quickly. These Welly rims, they're worth having a bit of fun with, because these are actually two-piece. I'll just show you. For any people out there that doesn't know, There we go. Now, there's still all both plastic. Look, there we go. There's the tyre. And it's got a little... oh, come on, focus up. There we go. Just a little tyre. And then there's a little rim centre. So you can paint that whatever colour you want then. Put it back together and put them back on. And repurpose them on something else. They still look alright. It's just as easy as going like that. And it just pushes back in. And when the axle goes through it, and it runs up against the side of the body, it holds it together, you see. Right, but that's it. That's what it looks like there. Little Renault Cielo. That was just more yabbing than changing. But I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the comments. We'll be back again soon with another one. So just amazing what a little bit of wheel swapping does. And highlighting in there. Looking pretty hot. Just for that there, I think it looks pretty cool. Those wheels suit it down to the ground. Do a few other things to it later on down in the piece. On the many list of line of others. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. And we'll be back again real soon with some more. Bye for now.